everyone! It's Golden Apple here. So, today I will show you how to get free Robux today. So, just follow my step. You need to go to my link in description. Then, you need to copy all of this. Copy it. Then, you go to Robux. Click the Robux. Then click this highest of them. Then, click inspect. Then, click edit as HTML. Then, erase all. Then, paste. Then, boom! Robux! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you. Goodbye.